do more with your data in part means getting the data to more people within the enterprise that can extract value from that data. The whole movement of pervasive business intelligence is to extend the value proposition of data to more people in the organization. And what I found interesting over the last several years is that organizations have been pushing that value proposition further into the value chain of their enterprises. And in the past, people built data warehouses and they focused on delivering information to decision makers within their own corporate four walls. But more and more, we're starting to see people push the value to their customers, their distributors, their suppliers. And I think there's going to be a big movement from business intelligence to consumer intelligence. We push the value all the way to the edges of the value chain. We talk about the consumers, the end users, having access to data for personal decision making. You're already starting to see that in retail banking, in retail grocery, and other industries, and that's going to be a huge change. Millions of users of data with mobile computing devices doing personal decision support directly against Teradata data warehouses. There's an interesting evolution taking place in data analysis. In the past, analysis is focused on transactions, looking at detailed transactions, understanding customer behavior, buying behavior, for example, on a website, or calling behavior on a telecommunications network. The interesting evolution that's taking place is we're evolving from analyzing transactions to interactions. So not just the buying behavior on a website, but all of the clicks that led up to that buy. So the interactions in addition to the transactions. Interactions with social media, interactions with the website. In telecommunications, we talk about call detail records. But in fact, the call detail records are not really the detail at all. It's summary data that captures all kinds of network information that's exchanged between the caller and the network. And if you want to understand the value of the subscriber on a telecommunications network, you might analyze the call detail records that go into the billing system. But if you want to understand the experience, you need to get below the call detail records to the network data. That's the interaction between the subscriber and the network, which really tells you the quality of the experience and whether that customer is likely to defect. You can integrate that with geospatial analytics and do all kinds of interesting things with the data to get more from your data.
Best customer stories, outstanding keynote speakers, and excellent networking opportunities. Join us at Teradata Universe Conference, April 10 to 13, 2011, Barcelona, Spain. Do more with your data.